Hello. Yes, to get the Geogebra, you just type Geogebra Classic or just Geogebra, it doesn't matter. Then you will see the screen. Once you see the screen, you click on this one. Once you click on this, this is what automatically the Geogebra will open online. So that is one of the version that work online. So you see here on top here, this one, it will allow you to for pointing. This one is to put a point on a graph. This one is for a point, let's say a line segment or line. This is the same. This one is for you to locate some 3 or 4, 5 points. This one is to look for point on the circle and ellipse and so on and so on and so forth, right? Here, if you want exactly the value, the x value and the y value, and this one is to allow you to drag up and down. So let's say if you want to type a function, you see here on top where it says input, you click on it. Once you click on it, if let's say you want to type just a function directly, you can just type x, let's say plus 7. So in that case, you see it gives you the graph x plus 7. So you can make it, you can zoom it, make it bigger. You can zoom it to make it small, to make that space at least. You can go up. So if you want, let's say to drag it, you come here, you drag, you pull down, press on, then you can pull down, you see the intersection. So let's say if you want to check the point, once you click on this, it gives you a point. You want a point on an object, attach or detach point, intersection, and so on and so forth. So let's say if you want to just take the value and which the y value. So this gives you, you can see here, once you click on this point here, it gives you that the point of intersect of the function f, the y axis. Um, the x value is 0 and then the y value is 7. So you can do the same. So if you want to scroll to check the intercept on the on the on the x-axis, so you can click here right there. So it also saying that the intersect is the point B, the second point is B, F, the x-axis. I want to just say is correct. However, you can change that. You can click here, duplicate output, duplicate input, delete. You can go to setting, change your setting. If you want to, let's say, this function here is called f automatically because it's the first function. However, you can even give it a name here by writing it as directly writing on your, call it g of x equal to. So that is directly writing. Let's say sine. You just type sine of x. Let's say plus. Let's say pi, and then you click on the tab, then automatically you see the functions. So however, you can also go to the intercept here. You see those, all those are mentioned. There is the line. So if you want to draw a line, let's say starting from here until here, so for you, you want to study to see the period. You can also see it gives you. However, the only thing it doesn't give you is in terms of pi. It doesn't say in terms of pi. Let's say if I trying to see from here until here or until here, it doesn't give me in terms of pi. So it gives you in terms of numbers, and then you sort. So you consider the line. It can also give you the equation of that specific line for polygon, ray, vectors, and so on and so forth. So if you want a vector from a point, you can also try to get to if you want a vector from a point, you can also try to 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 select a point. Let's say the intersection here between the graph. You can also put to show that the graph is going this way. That is another way of seeing it. If you want a vector point, another way of doing it is let's say instead of taking this, let me see if I can get this one. You can also take it from here. Okay, that one doesn't work. So, okay. Now, if you want, let's say, to draw a polygon, so you can pick a polygon. You can try to say the students that it doesn't matter how much type. You can try to draw it and then you can close it, or you can start by one point here, um, another one, and then you close it here. You can draw a triangle if you want. You start there. The moment you click, then you click here, it stops once you go back. So you see it gives you a vector U1, V and T and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all about GeoGebra. That is for the one online. So let me stop here. Well, there are plenty of things that you need to do. So let's say you want to see exactly, this will allow you to zoom in, zoom out, to show exactly some hidden object or the label, the XY label. You can change it. You can change also the visual. You can delete something if you want to delete too, and then That is all about GeoGebra. So it's nothing difficult. So this one is the GeoGebra online. So let me stop the recording here for now.